Very good. Let's go and find a place where nobody disturbs us. Preferably sitting down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very, very relaxed. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Relax, relax, and relax. Now, let's imagine a very bright light right at the top of your head, in the back of your head. This light is coming down now, surrounding your head, relaxing you, down through your shoulder, out through your hands, your fingers, your chest, your stomach, your legs, all the way down through your feet, all the way down to the center of the earth. Very relaxed. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, let's go on and count from 20 to 1. And we're gonna go very, very deep. 20, focus on your breathing. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, focus on your breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax, breathe in and out. Let's go and activate the power, authority with the 3 stages. Every day and every way, I am becoming a decision maker in my world and work. Every day and every way, I am being seen by those with power to support my work. Every day and every way, I am a money and abundance magnet. Every day and every way, I am one with my environment that support my expansion. Every day and every way, I am trusting my capabilities. Every day and every way, I am stepping up one more level in expansion. Every day and every way, I am free from my limitations. Every day and every way, I am ready to grow and see opportunities. Every day and every way, I am confident using my skills. Now let's go and activate the elegant seal and the creativity. Every day and every way, I am creating connected with my higher mind. Every day and every way, I am expanding my ideas to help the world. Every day and every way, I am opening my second chakra. Every day and every way, I am using my skills to create products that solve problems to the world. Every day and every way, I am believing in my creativity. Every day in every way, I am a source of creations for solutions. Every day in every way, I am growing and expanding. Now, let's go and activate the relief God to activate inner nobility. Every day in every way, I am solving issues for me and others. Every day in every way, I am aware of what is needed to move forward. Every day in every way, I am healing my environment. Every day in every way, I am one with my perfect world. Every day in every way, I am connecting with my awareness. Every day in every way, I am helping others with my creativity. Every day in every way, I am one with calmness and perfection. Every day in every way, I am in balance inside and out. Now let's go and activate the 8 seeds to activate fame and popularity. Every day in every way, I am visible. Every day in every way, I am popular. Every day in every way, I am fame. Every day in every way, I am light to the world. Every day in every way, I am recognized everywhere I go. Every way in every way, I am seen around the world. Every way in every day, I am on the perfect spotlight. Every day in every way, I am healing the world. Every day in every way, I am seen by those who need my help. Every day in every way, I am loved by those who need me. Every day in every way, I am visible to those who need my light and love. Now let's go and activate the low vibes from the 5 ghosts. Every day in every way, I am in control of my story. Every day in every way, I am who I say I am. Every day in every way, I am me and love for it. Every day in every way, I am kind, loving, I am light to the planet and other beings around me. Every day in every way, I am supported by angels of love. Every day in every way, I am loved, respected, and respect. Every way in every way, I am protected by Archangel Samuel. Every day in every way, I am protected by Archangel Michael. From my inner and outer world, every day in every way, I am reflecting only love to others. Now let's go on and deactivate painful experiences from the blood knife. Every day in every way, I am healing my body, mind, and soul. Every day in every way, I am better every day physically. Every day in every way, I am fixing my health. Every day, in every way, I am acknowledging my physical needs to heal. Every day, in every way, I am aware of my body. Every day, in every way, I am healthy and perfectly healed. Every day, in every way, I am aware of myself. Every day, in every way, I am in perfect health and healing.